In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. Now, technically, Asana only allows one true assignee per task. That single person is the one ultimately responsible for completing it. But in a lot of real-world situations, you need several people to stay closely involved, to get notifications, and to track progress together. That's where collaborators come in, and that's exactly what we're going to set up. First, go ahead and open Asana and navigate to the project that contains the task you're working on. Find the specific task you want to share with others and click on it to open the task pane on the right side of your screen. This is the detailed view where you see things like the task title, description, due date, and comments. With the task pane open, look toward the bottom area of that panel. You should see a small plus icon or a label that says Add Followers, depending on your Asana layout or version. This is the control you'll use to add collaborators, which is essentially how you simulate having multiple assignees. Click on that plus icon or the Add Followers text. When you do, a field or drop-down will appear that lets you search for people in your workspace. Start typing the name of the person you want to loop in. Asana will suggest matching teammates. When you see the right person, click their name to add them as a collaborator on the task. Repeat this for each person you want to include. There isn't a step change here. You simply search, select, and add as many collaborators as you need, one after another. Everyone you add will now receive notifications when the task is updated, commented on, or completed. They'll also see the task in their tasks or home views, depending on how they have things configured. This approach keeps one clear owner, while still making sure the rest of the team is fully in the loop. It's especially helpful for cross-functional work, approvals, or situations where multiple people need visibility, but you don't want to create duplicate tasks. As a quick tip, once you've added collaborators, you can use the comment section in the same task pane to mention them directly. That makes your communication more targeted and reduces the chance that important details get missed. And that's all there is to it. By using collaborators, you can effectively add multiple people to a single Asana task for visibility and shared responsibility without breaking Asana's single assignee structure.